Welcome to the Katie's Garden Guide to Pruning Perennials. I'm not Katie. This is Galega officinalis, also known as goat's rue. Flowering coming to an end here. And because this is such a huge plant, normally we say if something's finished flowering you'll often cut it all the way down, or you're cutting all the way to a bud. Might be a bit more generous on that because I think it probably will shoot from higher up. We can trace here, that is I think a bit of a bud there coming, so we will cut. It's always above the join because on almost all plants that's where the growth nodes are. You're looking for something promising. If you just cut halfway down somewhere, all that's going to do is go brown. That won't regrow, and in fact while it's going brown that's just a block to any regrowth. And there we go, so we still have a pretty decent sized plant there, and actually it's got a fair amount of flowers still on it.